Hi, I'm Dee Thomas with the All-American Horse Classic. We're so excited to host our 2020 show in the beautiful and air-conditioned Indiana Farmers Coliseum. With 6,500 seats, there's plenty of room for exhibitors. In following USCF guidelines, we're providing complimentary seating around the show ring instead of our traditional box seats. We'll group you together with your barn family in sections of 8 people, making sure there's plenty of social distancing between groups to keep everyone safe and healthy. Look for signage for your group placement. Visit our website or Facebook page for updates, and we will see you September 9th through 12th at the Indiana State Fairgrounds.